In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send your first email in Flodesk. If you're just diving into the world of email marketing with Flodesk, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get from zero to your first sent email in just a few minutes. Let's begin this seamless journey by heading over to Flodesk's website at www.flodesk.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're on the main dashboard to start. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new email. Look for the button that says plus new email on your dashboard and click on it. You'll be faced with two choices, using a pre-made template or starting from scratch. If you need something quick and visually appealing, Flodesk offers a variety of gorgeous ready-made templates that will surely catch your audience's eyes. However, if you prefer to have complete control over the design and layout, you might want to start from scratch. This flexibility allows you to tailor the email to exactly what you envision. Once you've made your choice, we're moving on to customizing your email layout. Flodesk offers a user-friendly drag and drop editor. This is an intuitive tool that allows you to easily add or remove elements, like text blocks, image blocks, buttons, dividers, and social links. Simply drag these items to where you want them in your email. Feel free to rearrange the blocks to make your email look exactly the way you want it. Click on any text block to edit the content. Here, you can type out your message and play around with the fonts until it matches your brand's personality or your vision for this email campaign. Now let's set up your email settings. Click on the Next button. Here, you can set some crucial elements: the subject line, preview text, sender name, and email. Make sure the subject line is engaging and enticing. It's your first impression in the recipient's inbox. For the preview text, think of it as a teaser that gives just enough information to intrigue your audience. Lastly, double check that the sender name and email reflect your brand properly to ensure trust and recognition from your readers. After setting up your email's foundation, it's time to choose your recipients. From your subscriber list, select a segment or even create a new one. Flodesk makes segmentation easy, so you can ensure your message reaches the right audience. The final step is to schedule or send your email. Plus, Flodesk allows you to either send the email immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. This flexibility is great for planning marketing campaigns ahead of time. Once you've set your preference, click schedule or send now, and voila, you're done. Congratulations, you've just sent your very first email using Flodesk.